The Graphics Migration Assistant tool can be used when upgrading pre-Power Operation 2022 Cytec base graphics to the new pan-zoom graphics in Power Operation 2022. Once the Graphics Migration Assistant software installer is downloaded from the EcoStruxure Power Operation community, the installation process can begin. I will be stepping through the most common installation process, so please refer to the user guide if you have a different setup. During the installation process, the installer automatically detects the version of the software installed and deploys the files into the corresponding folder. To continue with the installation, you must read and agree to the license agreement. Next, select the setup type. Since we are only installing one product with this wizard, leave the Graphics Migration Assistant and click Next. If your server is configured with multiple disk partitions, you may want to put the Graphics Migration Assistant folder on another drive. However, there is no special reason to do this, so I generally leave the path at the default configuration. The application requires .NET Framework to be installed, and you will be asked for the installation if required. If the folder to install the product doesn't exist, confirm that you want to create the folder. Once the installer runs a quick check, I can click through and the software will be installed. This is a quick installation process. It takes about 30 seconds in my machine. Once complete, you will have a shortcut on the desktop to run the software, and the option is also added to the Windows Start menu. Next, let's step through the tools and get an idea of how they work together to migrate Cytec base graphics to the new pan-zoom graphics in Power Operation 2022. Until then, thank you.